Winter is very harsh on your car. Mainly batteries, tires, wiper blades, because a lot of times the vehicle would build ice on the windshield. Anytime people try to use the wipers, it'll actually wear the rubber, which can prevent you from seeing outside your windshield. Carry an ice scraper. Try to scrape the ice off the window before you try to use your wiper blades to prevent damage. During the winter months, a battery will drain its charge faster than it will in the summertime. So it is very important for the battery to be checked. Do a tire inspection, which will require to check your air pressure, how much tread you have on your tires as well. It is important to know that the less tread that you have, the more chances of sliding while driving your vehicle. Those people in the north will probably need more winter tires than people in the south due to the snow amounts and all the ice and storms that they get. You want to let your vehicle warm up at least 5 minutes or at least until you start feeling heat coming out of the vents. That way you know that all your fluids are warm up and your car is ready to go. It is very important to have extra washer fluid instead of jumping cables, some warm gloves, and possibly some warm clothes just in case you get stuck somewhere. I would definitely recommend you to bring your vehicle to Firestone for a complete vehicle inspection to get you ready and make sure that you're safe for the wintertime. We are here to help you complete your trip.